So it is 5:04 p.m. It's Friday, March 16th. I am on my way to, wow, okay, all right, because where you going, to a red light? Wow, okay, all right. I am on my way to Rutgers, New Brunswick. I will be doing a workshop with girls who are attending college in the fall, who are going to be starting a huge and major chapter in their lives. So I was reached out to by Rutgers to come and do a breakout session with the girls, all girls, who will be starting a new chapter in their lives that's going to be filled with challenges and many changes, and with that comes anxiety and pressure, all that good stuff. Well, none of those things are good things, but yeah, so they're going to be growing, and I want to tell them about my experience. I want to tell them that, you know, what things I can pretty much give them tips on how to avoid. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Pretty much give them the tips and tricks to what goes on in class and out of class, on the clock and off the clock. As a full-time student, a part-time student, you know, let them know that it is a privilege to go to Rutgers University. It is a privilege to go to school for free. Let me add that these girls are going to school and they're going to be admitted into a program upon completion of whatever it is that they have to do. Whatever it is, they better do what they gotta do. But upon completion and upon approval of whatever, you know, they have to do, these girls will be going to school for free. And that is a privilege. I didn't go to school for free, and you know, college was something that was mandatory in my household. However, for the average person, college is not mandatory. High school is mandatory. So I'm going to talk to them about the differences between high school and college, and give them like a survival kit. I'm going to give them a worksheet. I'm going to give them all these good things. So headed there now, on the way early. I'm attempting to be there early. I don't have to like start until about like 7-something p.m. but I need to make sure that I'm Gucci before I get there. Like, I'm not trying to be rushed. I'm not trying to panic. I want to review my shit before I go in, and I want to have control of the room. So let's get it.
Since I started my life, if you know my name, probably the dangerous side. Brick house, stallion, think you taming me right? Not this baby down, Philly streets, they raising the ride. Keep it pretty, okay, make it gritty, be a lady. Need boots, pocket books, and a baby 380.
Guess who made it? We're here. Time to go. Get this money. Oh, getting out of the car is such a task. Say hi to my YouTube channel. How are you? Look at my room. So I got my own little room. Let me give you guys a tour. This is my room. Oh, those are the girls. Say hi to the girls. There they are. I didn't go talk to them yet, but that's them. But yeah, so this is my room. I'm excited. I'm going to sit down for a second and collect my thoughts. But I'm excited. I'm stoked. I'm gonna get comfy, set up my little office. We want to see. We want to see how they rock with the kid. But I'll be back.
I think this is a part of what Rutgers Future Scholar stands for. This is going to be a great night. We have wonderful speakers here. They're amazing. They're here to answer any questions that you may have, anything that you're curious about. Don't be afraid to open up and share. And I guess we can start eating dinner now because I know y'all are hungry.
Hi, girls. Go to the page that you wrote your fears on and rip it out. And ball it up. And these are your fears that you're gonna throw away. So you can throw them anywhere on the floor. Oh. Now there's a paper underneath your book. It's a permission slip. Does anybody want to read it out loud?
To me, from me, I am a work in progress. I am better. I am stronger. I am wiser. I am divine. I am ready. I give myself permission to love, cry, say no, be alone, let go, laugh, sleep, choose, release, create, and smile.
So the event is over. It was a great success. Definitely bonded with several girls. So I want to get to say goodbye to them. Let's say goodbye. I think they're about to come out shortly. So. Yes. Bye, girls. See you later. Bye, girls.
Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Bye. You too. Bye, girls. Say hi to you too. Bye.
What's your channel name?
It's Janae Raquel.
Yo, are you gonna really like vlog and stuff? Because I actually watch YouTube. All right.
Yeah, I watch vlogs a lot.
Yes.
Oh my god. I watch vlogs all the time.
What do you want to tell them? You just want to be here. You just want to be cute.
I'm Kayla Vines, catching your TV screen.
I'm Diaje Almeida.
And what about you, Diaje?
I'm gonna be a therapist, so come to my office soon.
Sit on my couch. Tell them. Sit on your couch.
Yeah. Wait.
And I'm gonna be happy.
You're gonna. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you found her YouTube already?
Yeah. See, look at you.
Actually.
Wait,
You want to do what now?
Oh, I just want to be on your YouTube and say hello and
Tell them who you are.
I'm Sandra.
Why do you have to keep doing? Drink some water. You've been doing it all day. You've been doing this the whole time. Every time you talk, drink some water.
Sorry, I've been a little parched, but I just want to say, like, I just hope, like, everything, like, you're, like, wanting to do, like, you, like, pursue, like, successfully, which I know you will, and,
Thank you.
yeah, like, I just love you.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. I really loved, like, your session, and I wish you, like, talked a little bit more, because, like, I really want to know, like, about you more, which is not just, like, watching YouTube, because I was a fan anyway, and, you know, like, I want to have a YouTube channel, too. So
Go subscribe to my podcast.
I will. I want to have a podcast too, so like I literally like want to be you. So it's
You want to be? You can be yourself. You can be yourself. Y'all are so cute.
I wrote down how honest everyone was.
Huh? How what?
How honest. It says, would you like most about the event?
Yeah, I like to
Oh.
it was like so relatable. Like you were so relatable to like
Thank you.
I'm,
Thank you.
I mean,
Thank you.
I'm not glad that you went everything with, but I'm glad that you can like show me what I have to do.
There's that struggle, but there's a better outcome.
Right. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you. I am so proud of myself today. It was so good. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so gassed and I'm cold and my feet swole. Ooh, bars. Let me just tell you. Somebody don't want me to go home. Let me just tell you, God is so good. He sure is. I had a blast. So I'm all settled. I'm home. Not completely settled because I still have on a full face of makeup, but that's absolutely gonna come off. Before I end this vlog, I would love to give a warm and grateful thank you, if that even makes sense. I'm very grateful, and I want to say thank you to Rutgers University. Thank you to Ashley and Brittany for inviting me to Rutgers. Thank you to all the girls who showed up. Whatever city you were from, Rahway, Newark, Piscataway, New Brunswick, everyone was in there ready to learn, ready to be encouraged, empowered, ready to listen, and just welcoming. So thank you guys. It was a privilege. It is a privilege. It will always be a privilege to speak at Rutgers, to be an alumni, to come back and to serve and service my girls, the future scholars of Rutgers, New Brunswick, and beyond. So thank you for having me. I am very happy. I'm very grateful, and I will be back. So yeah, cheers. Clink, clink.